At TSEA, our energy is the transformation. Since 1968, when we began the transformer manufacturing in Brazil, TSEA has been driving the energy sector forward with excellence. Today, we operate modern facilities, including a world-class testing laboratory equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to ensure the highest quality standards. With strategic operations in Contagem, Betim, Curitiba, and an office in Houston, we offer equipment and integrated solutions for the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical energy, efficiently meeting the demands of renewable energy plants, industrial plants, and large infrastructure projects. Our expansions and improvements in our factories have enabled us to produce modern, high-performance transformers with power ratings up to 600 MVA and voltage levels up to 550 kilovolts. With a production capacity of over 200 units per year, we have already delivered over 5,000 transformers that reflect our history, reliability, and commitment to innovation. Our product line is broad and diversified, covering various types of three-phase and single-phase transformers such as industrial furnace, phase-shifting vegetable oil insulated units, mobile substation transformers, as well as power reactors, meeting the most varied market demands and the most demanding technical specifications. After the final assembly, each transformer undergoes rigorous quality testing in one of the 3 test lines, including our extra-high voltage laboratory, which is fully shielded against electromagnetic interference and designed to operate at low noise levels. With a production capacity of 3,500 units per year, our plant dedicated to the manufacturing of single-phase voltage regulators positions TSEA as one of the largest global manufacturers. Recognized for its reliability and robustness, our regulators feature the lowest failure rate in the market, ensuring operational excellence and safety across a wide range of applications. With our own technology for control systems and tap changers, we maintain a strong international presence, particularly in the US market, where our products stand out for their efficiency and quality. TSEA is a reference in reliable solutions to meet the growing demands of the global energy sector. We operate a service unit in Betim, Minas Gerais, dedicated to maintenance and refurbishment of power transformers. This facility is equipped with advanced technology and staffed by a highly qualified and experienced field service team, ready to provide global technical assistance and customized solutions that extend equipment lifespan. Throughout North America, we rely on authorized and trusted partners prepared to perform transformer installation, assembly, oil filling and commissioning, and after-sales services, ensuring fast, high-quality support for our clients. We provide complete and customized solutions in protection and control system, PCS, and telecommunications for substations. Develop projects tailored to each client's needs, from design to commissioning, including assembly, parameterization, testing, and training. We are attentive to the growing energy demand in major urban centers and have developed solutions that combine compact design, cost efficiency, and safety. Among our highlights are gas-insulated substations, GIS, hybrid gas-insulated substations, HGIS, mobile substations, which ensure flexibility and efficiency in responding to emergencies and maintenance, and skid-mounted substation, designed to optimize space and meet the demands of the energy sector with high performance. We are proud to be a company committed to ESG principles. Our factories are certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001, ensuring not only quality and credibility, but also respect for the environment and care for the well-being of our employees. In collaboration with the TSEA Foundation, We are present in the lives of millions of people, connecting quality of life and sustainable development. Wherever there is energy, there is a TSEA product. Made by people, for people. TSEA Energy.